Hello, Sabaidi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I want to show you how I make my yam woon sen. Yam just means toss or mix, and woon sen, it means the clear glass noodle. If you're ready, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 3 slices of lime, 1 tablespoon minced chili, 1 tablespoon palm sugar, 3 tablespoons of celery, 3 tablespoons of any kind of tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And peanuts always optional. And 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, sliced onions, 1 packet of woon sen clear glass noodle, and ½ cup of ground pork, 6 deveined and peeled shrimp. And for the ground pork, I didn't go to the store, so I couldn't buy any that was already ground up. So I just got a slice of pork and just start chopping it. So that was ½ cup of pork. And for the glass noodle, I just took 1 small pack from here. And what I did was just soak it in warm water for like 5 to 10 minutes. Oh yeah, and I know Walmart carries the glass noodle, so you could always buy it there. Once your noodle is soaked for 5-10 minutes, just cut it to bite size. So now that we have all of our vegetables sliced and our ground pork and our noodles soaked and the shrimp peeled and deveined, let's go ahead and start cooking the noodles. In a boiling pot of water, I just went ahead and cooked my noodles for 1 minute. You do not have to cook it longer than 1 minute. And you could use the same water right there that you use to cook the noodles to cook the shrimp. Go ahead and add in your 6 pieces of shrimp. And cook it, but not overcook it. You don't want it rubbery. Once your shrimp is cooked, go ahead and toss out the water and then start a new pot with 3 tablespoons of water and add in your ground pork. Make sure your ground pork is really cooked. Once your ground pork is cooked, put it in a big mixing bowl because we're going to toss everything in there. Here's the fun and easy part. All right, go ahead and add in your ground pork that was just previously cooked. And what I do is I just always add my sugar first because if you add your sugar while the pork is hot, it dissolves the sugar faster. And for the sugar, if you don't have palm sugar, light brown sugar is fine too, or regular white sugar. All right, in goes the sugar. And then now we want to add in our fish sauce. Okay, now adding the minced chili. It depends on your spice level. If you want it more spicy, add more. If you don't want to, don't add it or even add less. Add in your minced garlic. Get all of that out. And go ahead and give that a little mix first because you want the flavor of the garlic and the chili and the sugar and the fish sauce to all incorporate each other. Once you give that a good mix, now add in your clear glass noodle that we cooked earlier. And remember, if you're cooking for more people, you could even double up the recipe because the portion that I'm making today is for 1 serving. Go ahead and add in the cooked shrimp. And give that a quick toss. See, yum, toss, mix. You got to keep on tossing and mixing every time. If you like the video so far, hit like and subscribe for future videos. And let me know if you would try making this. And if you do, come back to the comment and let me know how you like it. And add in the onion. At my house, I normally have just a regular white onion, but for some reason, we don't have that today. We just have the red onion. So that's what I use. And add in your tomato, add in your celery, and then add in your lime. If you like it more sour, add more squeeze of lime. If you don't like it too sour, don't add too much. But this yam woon sen is like a little bit of salty, a little bit of sourness, and a little bit of spiciness. Yep, you guessed it. After you add that in, you want to toss it up a little bit. Give that a good toss, good mix. Oh, and before I add in the peanuts, I just want to let you know, if you're allergic to it or don't like peanuts at all, you don't have to add it to this dish, but I just love peanuts, so I'm adding a whole bunch of mine. And I'm saving the other half to garnish my plate when I'm done. So after all the mixing and tossing we did, it's finally done. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? And I also just want to say that for this yam woon sen recipe, it does not have to be shrimp or pork. You could use chicken, beef, any kind of protein you like, even with salmon and stuff. Would you try making this dish? If so, comment below. Again, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos.